Hey friends, just a really quick video today to show you the shampoo bars that we made yesterday, just so you can have a progression of how hard or how soft they have become in a 24-hour period. So I have one of them here. Let me stand up so you guys can see. And it is still soft. I could probably like make an impression if I pushed really hard. All right, I'm pushing pretty hard actually. I'm actually pushing really hard. Okay, so I made a little bit of an impression, you can see there. Okay, but this just goes to show you just in a 24-hour period how hard this has become. And so again, I will let this sit for about 5 days to let more water weight evaporate on out of there, but it's already hard as a rock. I'm not going to do it on my pan because I dented my pan yesterday. Did you guys see that with the green apple shampoo bar? I dented my poor pan. But listen, that was a good lesson, okay? So anyways, let me just take my glasses case. You know, obviously it's leaving a little residue, but it's not denting the bar. Okay, so that's how hard that is just 24 hours later. So imagine in another few days how hard it is. And that's going to help to sustain the longevity of this bar. And that's why these are able to last myself and Mr. Soap Chef literally about 3.5 to 4 months, one bar for the both of us. Now, that being said, I only wash my hair once a week. He washes it every day. I only do mine once a week because I have really, really dry hair. So if I do it any more than once a week, I have, you know, quite a lovely poof of hair. I look like Bozo the Clown or something. I don't know. Anyways, that's it, you guys. Just a couple second video to let you guys know how this is doing 24 hours later. I've had a lot of questions since I put up the video yesterday on the solid shampoo bars. So keep them coming, you guys. I'm here. I'm really busy this week. We have our show in 5 days. But I always make time for you guys because I appreciate you all so very much. So keep the questions coming and I will answer as soon as I can, okay? You guys have a wonderful day though. Ciao.